Hey everybody, it's me, Mark Wiggins, the Speaker Man, coming to you live and direct. Well, sort of. With me, I have credit expert Kelly Duvall Jarvis. And Kelly, I got a question. My question is, I feel like I make a decent salary. I pay my stuff pretty much on time. I got student loan, I got a car note, I got my rent, and I got some commercial credit cards and stuff. But it just don't seem to be like, it still seems to be tight money-wise. What the heck is going on? What can I do? What do I need to look at?
Well, first of all, you're not alone. And I think you'd be surprised to know that studies show that even people that make $100,000 a year, 10% of those are living paycheck to paycheck.
Get out.
So, Mark, it's an epidemic. What you're going through, you're not alone. I would say it's your interest rates. High interest rates are what's setting you apart from, maybe meeting some financial goals to just making it by.
Mm. All right, so how do I go back and look at the interest rates? What should I do to investigate and look to move and make some positive moves to reduce that kind of debt load?
Well, let's make sure you have your credit score up as high as possible. So just to give you a for instance, let's say it's okay. Here's you. You are a homeowner. You have a car loan. You have a student loan. You have a credit card. Your credit score is 720. You have someone else with the same exact scenario. Their credit score is say around like 610. On average, per month, they're gonna spend about $400 more a month.
Really?
Because of high interest rates. And, to go a little further on that, it's also been shown that the 90% of people going into bankruptcy are going into bankruptcy because they're about $400 short a month from making it meet.
And you're saying that a large part of that shortage is the higher interest rates.
Absolutely.
See, that's the thing, I think, when people are talking about this and trying to get people to move from 0 to 1 on this thing, right? I don't know much about it. I'm scared about it, but you want me to take an action,
right.
An action I need to take. You kind of move past the point where, hey, look, pay attention because these extra $10, $15, $40 a month that you're paying an interest rate on this particular card could be money in your pocket.
Absolutely.
And you've not done anything about it to fix that. And by the way, you paid it off or you're paying it off and it's still a high number that could actually be money in my pocket. I think people can understand that a little bit better. You think?
Absolutely. I mean, it's these things that we do to set ourselves up for the future. But right now, everybody's, just trying to make it through today.
Right. I need to have more money than bills at the end of the month.
Right.
Or more money than month at the end of the month.
More money than month. That's a good way to look
Usually
at it.
there's more month than money, and that means I'm playing in the deficit, right? That's what people say.
I mean, there's ways to build your credit. There's ways to repair your credit. These are things that we can do. These are things that I provide. These are things that don't even take long. It's just a matter of wanting to fix it and wanting more at the end of the month and knowing that, you're probably making what you're going to be making. You might not be making more at your job anytime soon. So it's to find the help to make what you're making make more.
All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mark Wiggins, and that's all we got time for today. And remember, if you can reach your goals with a step ladder, then they're probably too low. I'm out.